What a glass of wine. Oh, Phoebe, I cannot. Hey guys, what is up? I hope you're all doing great. I am doing pretty great, as you could probably tell by the b-roll in the beginning of the video. Not bad at all. So if you watched my last vlog, you know, wink, watch it if you haven't. I cannot wink, but if I could, I would. Yesterday I made it from Shanghai to Shaoxing. Shaoxing is a town about 1.5 hours away from Shanghai. It's a beautiful water town known for like nature and lakes. And we're staying at the most gorgeous place ever, probably one of my favorite hotels I've ever stayed at. And the vibes here, Let me come closer to you. I'm here with my friends Phoebe and Francesca, and we already had so much fun yesterday. Why am I always sitting like this? My physiotherapist told me not to ever sit like this. These slippers are literally so nice. They're so comfortable. I'm strongly considering just wearing these slippers for lunch. I feel like they complement my outfit. I feel like I look like, as you can see, I totally damaged the dessert plate yesterday. Also, I still need to ask the girls what that is. It was really nice, like white-ish, purple-ish. I have no idea what I ate, but I ate it. Oh, by the way, I wanted to ask you about something. Did you also get that, like, that thing?
What thing?
In like a, not jar, but like the thing that you...
Oh, the soup, sweet soup.
Oh, is that, what is it? I ate it and I kind of like it, but I was like, I have no idea what I'm eating. So much time together. I wanted to have a shot of you taking it. Stream in Chinese. 直播. Oh my god, you guys, look at my outfit. Are you ready? I feel like I couldn't close it.
Oh my god, you look so good.
I look good.
You look so good.
Tell me more.
Actually, I traveled to Southeast Asia for a month, and then I went back to China for Chinese New Year.
So just to visit your family?
Yeah.
Not to stay or anything?
With 2 suitcases, and I got stuck.
And she has been here ever since, basically.
Yes.
So 3 years now, right?
Yes.
So what you see us both wearing here are pieces from Phoebe's very own Qipao collection that she designed herself. It's called The Bound of Love. And for those of you that don't know, Qipao is traditional Chinese dress. And the whole story of how Phoebe's collection came to life is very interesting. And she basically accidentally got stuck in China while visiting her family for Chinese New Year's. Phoebe is originally Chinese, but was living in the States for 11 years at this point and working in California. And then when pandemic and lockdowns happened, she basically decided to use her time wisely and do what she always wanted to do and created her own Qipao collection.
You had the idea to create a collection before the lockdown, and then lockdown happened. And
Lockdown happened, and then like there was this Qipao brand in Hong Kong. They're famous for creating their own pattern, from designing to making the pattern. And then like I worked with them for a couple times. Then we just FaceTime and we decided to make a collection together for
so
Shanghai themed pattern. And I just had this idea. I proposed to them, and it was actually like surprisingly smooth. So we actually designed the pattern, everything, the Qipao collection during the Shanghai 3-month lockdown.
Oh.
Yeah. And actually at the end of it, like they made the first batch of sample.
Okay.
It was very interesting.
I love hearing stories like that, because I also, like, I would love to have my own brand at some point in my life. Like, that's definitely my goal. So it's just always so inspirational to hear stories of people who actually went ahead and did it. So I had a genius idea of... That was a good idea, okay? Of creating a really cool piece of content. So you can see that on my Instagram or Phoebe's Instagram. So we still have about half an hour until dinner, but I'm a little hungry. So I'm gonna snack on my soup. it's really cool. So every night with night service, they also bring you soup. And yesterday, I was really confused. I didn't know what it was. I ate it anyways. And I was like, I hope it's eatable. I mean, of course it's eatable. Why? And like, they bring you this piece of paper. And obviously, I was like, I don't understand Chinese. Well, does this look like Chinese? It looks like English to me. It is English. And it says that this soup is a red bean and barley sweet soup. Definitely not anything I've ever tried before. It's almost like, it's a very light soup. And there's no like, it's just liquid. And it has a very neutral, very like light taste, almost sweet-ish. So like almost milk in it. Maybe there is milk in it. So I was like, what am I eating? What am I eating? I don't know what I'm eating, but I'm kind of liking it. Good morning, everybody. It is another beautiful day here in Shaoxing, and I'm about to head out to have some breakfast. But we're unfortunately leaving this beautiful place today. We are going to a different city, and I'm excited because it's a place that I've seen before, but I've seen it like 8-9 years ago. So I don't remember much, and it was raining on that day. I just went for a weekend trip. So yeah, I'm just very excited to travel more with Phoebe.
Look at this breakfast spread. What Phoebe got? Salad. Oh my god, yogurt with fruits.
Yogurt is so good though.
Bread. Are you actually gonna take chicken feet?
My chicken feet.
Okay, so what do we have here? Phoebe, do you want to introduce our breakfast?
Let's introduce our breakfast. Ready? This is the chicken feet, my favorite, and also going to be your favorite.
You took two?
Yes.
You don't think that will actually eat it? Yeah, and that's also why I took so much bread. It's obviously all for you.
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna share.
You're so sweet.
Yeah. Just in case you want it, but if you don't, I will eat it. It's okay.
Here, right?
This, guys, do you see what it is? This is chicken feet. This is like the kind of food where people are like, oh, crazy China.
Oh, it's really delicious China.
Delicious China.
This is the shrimp dumplings.
Oh yeah, and we have a very nice spread of dim sum here.
Yes, and this, I think it's the local thing, some sort of cake. Like this is the Miller cake, and this is the fermented rice cake, I think.
Ah.
The famous xiaolongbao.
Xiaolongbao, Suzhou dumplings.
Char siu bao, like the pork one.
Oh, I thought it was a baozi, but is that like
It's like a Cantonese cut.
Ah, Cantonese baozi.
Yes. And shumai.
This is with shrimp, right?
And this is the Western food that you guys mostly recognize, right?
This is called salad. This is called a bowl of yogurt.
It's called a pineapple.
Phoebe is making me eat chicken feet. I'm not very excited about it. I mean, eating chicken feet in the morning is not something that I normally do. I don't even eat meat, guys. Like, I don't even eat meat, and I'm just making.
Good to know you're not one. Don't eat chicken feet or anything.
Every day in the morning, like to. Okay, but I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'm just gonna taste it because I don't have time for this, Phoebe. I have places to be, things to do. I cannot sit here all day eating chicken feet, even though I wish I would.
How exciting! Are you excited? You look very excited.
Yes. It looks like the ugliest thing ever. Like, how do you even want to eat this? Like, it looks like no, Phoebe, I cannot.
Pick me, love me, eat me.
So I'll be eating a chicken feet for breakfast.
No, just think like.
Delicious. No, but I don't know how to eat it. Do I just bite? And there's a bone in the middle?
Just normally.
What about nails? Is there a nail?
No. Just eat like how you eat other food.
I don't know. I eat other food. I don't know. It's like bone. I just literally, it felt like bone and skin.
That's exactly what it is. It's bone and skin.
So you eat the skin? But you eat the bone or you eat the
skin? No, you don't eat the bone. You pick it up.
So you eat the skin?
Yeah, you just eat the skin. Best thing ever.
I tried it. It tastes like meat, and meat is not good.
Oh, right.
It's spicy though. There's a lot of spice on it, so the spices is nice. But
Something nice to see.
is that something I would choose to eat every day? Possibly not.
Now you're rewarded with a shrimp dumpling.
I ate all the dim
deserve
sum.
Deserve
One Phoebe. Did you see what I got?
Wow. I'm so proud of
Guys,
you.
this is my new favorite Chinese thing. What is it?
Sesame ball.
Sesame bowl. It even looks like one. It's sweet. It's so good. I never had it before. I just tried it, and it was love at first sight, just like those chicken feet. So our first stop of the day is gonna be lunch here in Shaoxing. We're still in Shaoxing, right?
Actually, we are.
Good that I know. Good that I know. No, yeah, no, we just spent half an hour talking in the car, so I'm like, where are we? Lunch was so good. I'm so full now. We ate so many good things. We ate cake with chopsticks.
We ate cake with chopsticks. That's such a funny way to describe it. It's
Oh, it did.
perfectly normal here, but when you say it,
Yeah,
it sounds weird.
it sounded exotic when when I was doing it. I looked down at my plate and I was like, wait, I'm eating cake with chopsticks. And now we're just gonna walk around. So Shaoxing is like a water town. What would you say about Shaoxing?
No, Shaoxing is a city. Now we're in an old town, like a little old street
Yeah.
in Shaoxing. And this, I think it's a water town.
Yeah.
I haven't seen water yet, but there's supposed to be water.
There's supposed to be water somewhere.
Somewhere, yeah. Let's look for the
Let's
water.
look for the water. I'm fucking. Guys, we found water. We're following the water. Yeah, Google didn't fool me. So the time has come for us to leave Shaoxing. We're getting on a train soon. And just look how gigantic this station is. And technically, China standard Shaoxing is just a small town near Shanghai, but the population is actually 5 million people, so that's like the whole Denmark. Yeah, well, China is big. Who would have expected?
So I can show you what I'm gonna
Ooh, it's chilly. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to, drumroll, Nanjing. Nanjing is a city. It's a city in China, about from Shanghai, it's like 2.5 hours? I'm 2.5 hours in the fast train. And I'm a little tired because I spend all the time editing my reels. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me because I am putting way more effort into Instagram. Like, I've never put that much effort into Instagram in my whole entire life. I'm basically making like mini vlogs on Instagram now. Ready? Such a posing queen. I know, I'm always posing.
It's so chilly here.
I know, that was the first thing I said. I was like, it's cool.
Like another country.
We made it to our hotel in Nanjing and we decided we're just gonna have dinner here. So we're having dinner at the lounge because we already ate so much today. We've done so much. We actually haven't done that much, but we're both kind of tired for the meal. We wear the slippers to be like a vibe. Why am I wearing
A vibe. Are you a vibe? You are a vibe.
Okay, fuck the slippers. I'll show you the room just like that. This is our living space. This is our plant.
This is our plant.
We're gonna take care of it.
It is my
Can
hat.
I put your hat on?
Oh yeah, you can.
This is our bathroom.
Did you also tell them you had a glass of wine?
What a glass of wine. Why is there a mirror here?
So you can check yourself out when you poop. So you see your expression.
You can see yourself when you poop.
Yeah.
I just checked for you. So if you want to stay here in Nanjing, what is it? Sheraton. I want to say
Yeah,
Four Seasons Sheraton.
4 seasons.
No,
There's no 4 seasons
there's
here.
no Four Seasons here.
I apologize.
Bad.
This is the bad, okay.
No smoking. Have a beautiful painting.
Alright. It's a painting of maybe Shangri-La.
Maybe Shangri-La. Oh, but Shangri-La is actually a town in China.
Yeah, maybe Tibet. I will say, yeah. Anyways, it's definitely not Nanjing. That's the point.
That's Nanjing.
That's the point. It looks nothing like Nanjing.
And here's the view. You can't really see.
Oh, you can only see my face.
But we're really
your
high
face.
up. We are on
Oops.
31st floor. Oh, thanks, Phoebe. Professional content creator here, smashing my camera into a window.
Ooh, I look good.